The princess will not die. She will simply change.
Today, everything changes. Wish me luck today. Please, all of you. I think I love him.
Princess Rossella.
Fairy godmother, I was just hoping I'd see you. Please, wish me good luck today.
Of course, my dear. I've always admired the birds, their freedom, their happiness.
Yes, I have.
Then today, you can have your wish. Drink this potion for good luck.
I trust you. It hurts. Something's wrong.
Did you really think that it rules? Prince Caspian belongs to Lena now. Fly along, little bird. Your engagement is over.
Has something delayed the princess?
She should have been here by now.
This cannot be right.
The princess wrote it herself.
I do not wish to be married at this time. I feel I have been forced into this union. I have gone to clear my mind and get some air. Until I return, I ask that Lena take my place.
Your Majesty, it is confirmed.
This cannot be.
No, she would never.
Forgive me, Your Majesty, but this makes no sense.
Young loves the Prince Caspian felt afraid.
She laughed with me. She agreed to this marriage. We were on the same page.
If we cancel everything now, the kingdom will talk. Let Lena stand beside the prince, only until Rossella returns. It is what the princess asked for. I just want my daughter back.
If this truly was her wish, then we will honor it. Let the celebration continue. Guards, protect the princess! Stop that bird!
Guards, shoot it down! It's getting away!
From time to time, Rossella flies back, always careful, always distant. She watches the castle from rooftops and trees.
You have the eyes of my Rossella. I cannot heal them, and I cannot be seen. I will not return until I can return as myself.
Nothing, not a single thing. No meat, no food. How am I supposed to go home like this? I don't hunt birds, but I have no choice. What kind of bird are you?